welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and welcome back to yet another video. So probably आपने टाइटल से समझ ही गए होंगे that what is this video about. This is the second part of my first ever video on my channel. If you are the ones who have supported me since day one and have watched the first video, you must be knowing that I posted a must-haves earring edition. तो आज इसका second part है and I'm gonna let you know what are the essential bags that every girl must own. So I'm gonna discuss a lot of information. This video is gonna be super informative. तो अपनी खाने का सामान ले आओ, drinks ले आओ, whatever you need to have with the video and make sure that you watch this till the end. Also अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फटाफट जाके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर देना for further notifications. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो बैग वाला इमोजी ड्रॉप करना मत भूलना. This is just a way by which I would come to know that you love watching this video. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to discuss the essential handbags that every girl must own. So the first one being a sling bag. I don't know, this is one of my most favorite types of handbags. I really love to carry a sling because to be very honest, मैं कम सामान usually जब बाहर कहीं जाना होता है when you're going for a formal occasion or you're going somewhere just casually, I don't think so you need to carry a lot of stuff. So मैं usually sling bag लेके जाती हूँ and I'm gonna share some bags with you. So this is one of my favorite sling bags that I own and this is by Shein. Obviously you can't purchase it now because Shein is no longer available, but I'll definitely let you know some substitutes. If you want that, do let me know in the comment section. So this is by Shein and what I love about this is that this sling bag looks very formal. You can, just pair it up with any of your formal outfits for a formal occasions. I just love it. The detailing, everything is just so nice and I guess this is one of my favorite slings. You also get a golden chain and yeah, this is one of those which you can accompany on a formal occasion. तो आपको दो types के रखने चाहिए according to me. One should be for your formal occasions and one should be a sling bag for a casual occasion. So for casual ones, this is the handbag that I own. This handbag is by Zimivo. I just love this handbag. The color is really nice. You can really accompany this with any kind of your outfit. कोई भी color की outfit है, this goes well. See, it goes well right now also. किसी भी color की outfit है, चल जाता है. And most probably casual के लिए है. So it has a lot of compartments. So you can keep anything and everything. So आप handbag में usually क्या रखोगे? You will keep your wet wipes, you will keep your phone, some makeup, थोड़ा बहुत. So everything can be kept in this. Also it has two front compartments and what I love about this handbag is that it has a chain by which it can be converted into a backpack also. So you can convert this into a backpack as well. I would suggest you that if you can at least purchase a sling bag that can be turned into a backpack, it would actually save your money and multi-purpose हो जाएगा. So I would suggest you कि आप कोई ऐसा handbag purchase करें या कोई ऐसा sling bag purchase करें which can also be converted into a backpack or something like that. So I am in just love with this sling bag. So I guess a sling bag is extremely important for a casual occasions. Next bag that I think is a must have is a tote bag. So I really love tote bags because as part of being a content creator, YouTuber, आपको जब बाहर जाना होता है when I need to do outdoor shoots, which I'm not doing right now obviously, then I need to carry a lot of stuff. मुझे अपना makeup रखना पड़ता है, separate makeup pouch, and I need to keep my earrings that I need to wear, my outfits, camera, laptop, a lot of things. तो उसके लिए obviously sling bag won't work and I don't like to carry a lot of bags with me, क्योंकि अगर आप देखोगे तो हजारों टाइप्स के हैंड बैग्स हैं पर उसमें से आपको कौन सा लेके जाना है, दैट्स वेरी एसेंशियल. तो I guess a tote bag works really well for me and I wanted to say one thing. There is a big difference between a shopping bag and a tote bag. जो बैग आप शॉपिंग करने के लिए लेके जाते हो, द बैग विच हैज अ वाइडर डायामीटर, टू बी वेरी मैथमेटिकल स्टूडेंट, इसका वाइडर डायामीटर होता है, दैट इज अ शॉपिंग बैग. And this bag that I'm talking right here, which is sturdy, which is handy, is a tote bag. So this is one of my favorites, my tote bag. This is from Westside. I really love this tote bag. This is a plain black leathery sort of a tote bag, and what I love about this is, again, this works well with every outfit. I also wanted to highlight one more thing, that this has another pouch within it, so you can also take it as a sling bag if you want, and also you can take it in here. तो अगर मुझे कुछ लेके जाना होता है which is essential, I keep it in this pouch so that whenever I need it, I just need to take out the pouch and it's done. So I guess I really love this tote bag, and as I told you, tote bag, अगर आप कोई ऐसी गर्ल हो मेरी तरह जिसको ज्यादा सामान लेके जाना पसंद है when you go out, I guess you should definitely purchase a good and sturdy tote bag. One more that I wish to share with you is again by Shein. I'm really sorry, but this are the ones that I cannot resist to share. So this is by Shein, and I guess I purchased it just before Shein got banned. So this is, I guess, my last purchase. I really love this bag. This works well again with most of my outfits, and also one more thing, that's a really wider diameter. So you can keep anything and everything in this. This is very spacious. मतलब इसमें मैं अपने headphones भी ले जाती थी. I used to carry my headphones, then I used to carry my laptop and things like that. Each and everything comes so handy. It's so spacious. I just love it, and I couldn't resist to share. So these are the two tote bags that I would like to share. Please purchase a kind of tote bag like the Westside one, because it would be a better option. You would get an integrated pouch which would help you to store everything that you want in a separate thing. Next essential things is a pouch. So I wanted to share this just because this is something that's so important. You must have a particular pouch. अब आप कहोगे that when we are carrying a tote bag, why do we need to have a pouch? So what I mean is that even when I'm going out, this is a disadvantage of a tote bag, that if you'll stuff everything inside, if you need a small thing or if you need a proper thing, आपको काफी ज़्यादा time लग जाएगा, because you need to figure out where that particular thing is kept. So I guess having a pouch or maintaining pouch and then keeping it in a tote bag would be more appropriate according to me. No offenses, this is just what I do, and I guess a pouch is really important. It keeps your things organized. आपको कभी भी ऐसा नहीं करना पड़ेगा ये चीज कहाँ है, ये चीज कहाँ है. So for example, this is a pouch. I'm not sure from where I got it, because I got it as a gift, but this is from Delhi, and I really love this pouch. Just for the sake that it keeps every single thing. So I really like this, and you can take any of the pouches. इसमें कुछ matter नहीं करता है. I would suggest to get at least 2 to 3 pouches depending upon your requirements. आपको क्या क्या चीजें रखनी होती है. So for example, you can keep a makeup pouch with you. Just आप एक pouch makeup का रख सकते हो, 1 pouch skincare, everything that you need to carry. You can convert it into pouches, and I think it would be a better option. Now let's come to the next handbag thing. So I wanted to share this clutch with you. I guess clutch is extremely important when we come towards a good handbag collection. अगर आप किसी से भी पूछोगे that what are the handbags that every girl must own, I guess clutch भी आना चाहिए, because clutch is something that we like to carry. So this, अब आप कहोगे ये कहाँ चलेगा? So I think this is very trendy. I really loved it when I just saw it, and I don't know what to talk about. This is so amazing. This is a clutch, and I guess you could accompany it with your traditional outfits. This really goes very well. आपने दिवाली पे जाना है, you need to go on any other occasion. If you'll carry these kind of clutches, it would look so trendy. आजकल मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है who are wearing this along with their traditional outfits. I guess having a clutch like this would really help you look trendy or things like that. So I guess definitely a clutch is very important. आप formal occasions पे जा रहे हो, आपको कोई outfit के साथ कुछ pair करना है. But one thing is that अगर आप ऐसी girl हो जिसको ज़्यादा सामान carry पसंद है करना, I guess clutch would not be a good option for you on a regular basis, because clutch में काफी कम सामान आता है. For example, wet wipes, your phone. अब इसमें आपका चार्जर नहीं आ सकता, इसमें आपका पावर बैंक नहीं आ सकता, जो यूजुअली हमें जरूरत होती है बाहर जाते वक्त. That is why I was talking about the clutch. Now, one last category that I wanted to share is, any guesses? Pause करके नीचे लिख देना because it's one-side interaction. I guess it would be a backpack. How can I forget to mention this because this is one of my favorite types of bags. I really love to carry backpacks. अगर आप मुझे बाहर मिलोगे anywhere, obviously after lockdown, if I see you on streets or you see me on streets, most probably you both will be wearing backpacks. At least me, अगर मैंने या तो मैंने sling bag या backpack या tote is very very exceptional. अगर मुझे बाहर shoot पे जाना होता है, only then. Otherwise, I just love backpacks. I don't know why these are so sturdy. That is why I like them. You just need to put an arm wristlet and you're done. You don't need to carry it in your hand. I don't like to carry a lot of heavy stuff. तो जब मैं टोट बैग पहन के जाती हूँ ऑब्वियसली इट्स वेरी हैवी बिकॉज काफी सारी चीजें होती हैं सो आई डोंट लाइक टू कैरी इट it just feels like so horrible to me. I still remember the fact when I used to carry it for 3 to 4 hours straight. It was very tough for me. But then, जब backpack ले जाना शुरू किया, it was really a nice blessing for me. So backpack is really important. This backpack is from Sugarbox. Sugarbox is an Instagram store. If you want to know more about it, it has such cute stuff. I cannot share it with you. Shein जैसे ये थोड़ा बहुत. I'll leave the details in the description box below in case you're interested. You can definitely check their website out. Especially if you have unicorn fetish, mermaid fetish and good cute things, आप वो check कर सकते हो. So this backpack is from Sugarbox. Now, again आपको देखते ही पता लग गया होगा मेरा unicorn fetish यहाँ भी आ चुका है. This has a unicorn on it. And one more thing is that I just love its color as well. Although ज़्यादा outfits के साथ I don't think so it would go, but I really like this for the fact that this is so nice and trendy. Now, one more thing is that इसमें भी काफी सारे compartments होते हैं तो अगर जब आप backpack लेके जाओगे it would be a better option because you would have a front compartment as it has. You can keep your handy stuff जो आपको जल्दी चाहिए होता है. For example, nowadays you would need a sanitizer or extra mask, your rubber band for girls. You could definitely keep it up in your first compartment जो handy चीजें चाहिए. And also in case of your middle compartment, every single thing can be there. And one more thing, इसमें एक inner compartment भी है where you can keep the stuff again which is you need and which you need to keep as a secret. Nothing like that. If you want to see what's in my bag, do let me know in the comment section below. That's a segment that was so trendy. Although I'm new YouTuber, so if you'd like to see, do let me know. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. मैंने आपको short में काफी कुछ बता दिया. Everything that I knew personally. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, make sure that you like the video, share the video with your friends, your families. The girls who love handbags like me, make sure that you share this video with your friends, your Instagram stories, tag me, mention me, everything that you need to do. I just love watching that. And yeah, one more thing, subscribe नहीं किया है तो करके ही जाना और handbag वाला इमोजी भी drop करके जाना. I'll see you next week. Take care of yourself. Make sure that you take all the precautions and goodbye.